In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to pin YouTube on your Windows taskbar. So you can access it anytime with just one click. It's super easy. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome browser and go to youtube.com. At the top right corner, click on three dot icon. Now at the bottom, hover over cast, save and share option. Now here as you see install YouTube, just click on it. Now click on install. Here as you see YouTube option in your taskbar, just right click on YouTube icon. Now click on pin to task. Now if I close this window, here as you see YouTube pin on taskbar. Now to open YouTube again, just click on YouTube icon. Here as you see, in the future you can open YouTube application with just one click. And that's it, that's how you can pin YouTube on your Windows taskbar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.